In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Glovo app. So if you've been receiving errors or your app is not working at all or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot it and fix all these problems once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to fix errors or problems on your Glovo app. And in the first method, we are going to access the app information page to be able to troubleshoot. For that, you can simply just go to your settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps. So if you scroll down, you'll see apps option here. Go ahead and tap on it, and it will take you to these extra options under apps. As you can see, we have this option called manage apps. On your smartphone, it might be written more apps or all apps depending on the Android version you're using or the smartphone you're using. In my case, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, the process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll until you find your Glovo app, and you can see my Glovo app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app using the search app function up here. Once you find it, just tap on it and it will take you to this app information page, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if you can't locate this app information page or it is too complex for you, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back again and look for your Glovo app, and as you can see, mine is here. Now from here, instead of tapping on it, just long press on it and you'll see app info option. Tap on it. Again, this will take you to the same app information page here. Now, while on this app information page, we are going to go ahead and clear the app data and more so the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But sometimes when these files accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. So to restore this, go ahead and clear the app data by tapping on clear data here, and then choose the second option, which is clear cache, and then OK. And as you can see, the cache data has been cleared to 0. From here, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Glovo app. And at this point now, it should be working. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the next, and that is clear all data. So go ahead and tap on clear all data and OK. And you'll have to log into your app afresh. And now it should be working. However, if this second method didn't still work, then proceed and go look for the app through either Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm on Android and I'll look for Glovo app through Google Play Store. So I'll tap on it and search for my app, and here is my app. From here, you want to go ahead and look for any option called update. If you see we have an update available, it means you have been using an outdated version of Glovo app. Proceed and update it to the latest version, and then now you can open and everything should now have been fixed. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix any issue related to Glovo app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.